Hey, this is Dorian from Premium Way Kids. I'm super excited to present you guys our latest product called HotBlocks Mobile Flowcharts. I personally worked on this UI kit with so much passion in order to make your life easier, especially if you want to create and present high-level user flows. So let's say you already bought this product. Let's see what it contains. So I'm going to open the folder, HotBlocks product. As you can see, the product is compatible with Adobe XD, Figma, and Sketch. I hope you guys updated the Sketch with the latest versions. If not, I recommend to do this. Let's open up the folder. Here you are the 4 files. The most important one is HotBlocks and arrows. Let's open up the HotBlocks file. So here you are 120 mobile screens wrapped in 8 categories. The start, social media category, the blog, business, media, e-commerce, and menus with the different styles of menus. And the last one, the grids, 1 column, 2 column, 3 columns, and so on. And the initial state. Everything is well organized and you can speed up your process by using the symbol panel. So for instance, let's say you want to change the color of the main call to action buttons. Select the large, the medium, and the small. Click on the colors, fields. Let's say you want to update with the green color. Hit Command S to save. And as you can see, all the artboards have been updated with our preferred colors. So here you are the arrows, which contains the connectors through which you can build effective UX prototyping to make connections between artboards, so you can present a product in front of your audience and or your team with ease, no more pain. So let's open up a new document and I'm going to show you how to use and create custom user flows. So if you already bought this product, let's say you want to add this to a library so you can use on every project. You can do this by clicking Command comma to add this into a library. So you can click on Add Library and you can choose on HotBlocks product and the product has been added. I already did this. So let's say we want to create and present e-commerce mobile app from scratch. How can you do this? Well, go to the Insert menu and here you can see the HotBlocks because you already added to a library. Here you can see the buttons, graphics, icons, and the artboards. All the artboards have been added to symbols so we can build effective processes with ease. So let's undo the colors from the HotBlocks panel. Get back to the original color. Okay, so if we go to the new document, let's see how an app starts. Well, we can go to HotBlocks Artboards, to the Start category, and let's say what would be the first screen? Well, the first screen, it will be, let's say, a welcome screen. If the user clicks on the sign up free, here you can see the login, sign up with Facebook, but sign up without Facebook, so we went through the whole process. We can use HotBlocks arrows, the solid ones or the tapped. Actions or tapped, we can use tapped. So let's use the float right when he clicks on the sign up buttons. After that we can go back to the HotBlocks Start category to pop up a walkthrough process. Here the user can see the most important features of your app and so on. After that, he clicks on the next. We can use an artboard here, a float right, snake up. He clicks on the next button. After that, he arrived on the start and the walkthrough process is almost done. Here you can see a get started button or something like this, but we're not done because let's say we want to ask the user to enter his topics, his favorite topics. We can use the same arrow. He clicks on the get started buttons and he will be redirected to the topics. As you can see, the artboards are very flexible. You can change its dimension and the tap circle, it will still be there. It doesn't affect. So bear with me to the walkthrough process. We are already done. Just ask him to upload his avatar. We can use the same arrow and after he uploaded his avatar, he must agree with terms and conditions. And after that, he finally arrived on the home page. So this is about an e-commerce app. So we go to the e-commerce category and he is on the home page. Now, let's say he wants to click on this menu to see what his options are. We can go back to the HotBlocks artboards on menus and a menu or screen pops up. Let's say he clicks here, so we're using the HotBlocks tab, but instead of float right, we can use a float left. So he clicks on the menu is expanding. Make sure the arrow is above the artboards. When let's say he clicks on the profile to see his profile page, go to social, use a profile artboard. We can use here the same arrow, and after that, let's say he wants to go back to the home page. So arrow, tapped, float right, curved you down. This is one of the arrows that we can use when we want to go back to the home page. Okay, so after that he sees the products and he wants to see more details about one of the product. Go to HotBlocks e-commerce and let's say product page 3. You can use whatever you want. We can go back to the arrows, tap and click on float right because he clicked on the cart. So no one is buying a product without seeing the details. And after that, let's say he added the product to his shopping cart. and now the checkout flows pumps up. So once again to the e-commerce and the cart. So here you are, the cart artboard. He wants to move on to the billing. Billing 1. Let's arrange this to stay nice and smooth. After, let's see, we want to use the float right snake up because he clicked on the continue button or the next button. After that, he inserted the billing details. We want to move on with the delivery details. Let's say this is a physical product. We can use the same arrow because it's the same action and the same line. Let's say he already completed the delivery options. So what's next? The payment process, the payment details. He inserted his payment details. He already chose his preferred payment option, credit card or PayPal, as you can see. And after he completed the payment details, finally we're over and the payment has been successfully processed and we are back. We are on the thank you page. So here you are, guys, a complete track, an effective UX presentations if you are in front of your team, but we have to add one more arrows. Let's see what float left as down. So when he add a product to a cart, it will look like this. Let's arrange this artboard to stay nice and clean. And as you can see, guys, here's an entire flow, a custom flow, which you can show to your team and to present nice. We can save this and say track e-commerce, not track, but e-commerce weeks flow. Hit save. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for your time. I see you next time. I encourage you to buy this product. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. I'm here for you. So thank you a lot. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.